Step into a vibrant animated classroom where children's drawings of apples, balls, cats, and dogs fill the walls with colourful imagination. A luscious ripe apple hangs temptingly from a tree branch, bathed in the sun's warm embrace. A child's hand reaches out with innocent anticipation to pluck the sweet treasure. Juicy and sweet, whispers a voice as the apple is gently plucked. Under the radiant sun, the park echoes with children's laughter. Amidst the cheerful chaos, a bouncing ball becomes a symbol of pure, unadulterated joy. The narrator softly speaks the words, "B is for ball." In a sun-drenched corner of a cozy home, a fluffy cat reigns supreme. It purrs a symphony of contentment as it engages in playful antics. The softly utters, "C is for cat." The cat's playful paws dance with a ball of yarn, a ballet of fur and thread. Every twitch of its whiskers tells a story of feline joy. On a peaceful suburban street, a cheerful dog joyfully wags its tail, eagerly fetching a stick. The dog sprints with unbridled joy, embodying the pure, simple pleasure of the moment. The screen displays the words, "D is for dog." The animated classroom bursts back to life, filled with the joyous energy of singing and dancing characters. Animated figures sway and twirl with boundless enthusiasm, the air alive with the rhythm of education. The words dance across the screen, proclaiming that alphabet, alphabet, it's fun to learn. In the heart of the zoo, a majestic elephant heralds its presence with a resounding trumpet. The letter E emerges on the screen, symbolizing the magnificent creature before us. The elephant's powerful call echoes through the air, marking its territory. Beneath the cerulean expanse, a vibrant world teems with life as fish glide through the water. A kaleidoscope of colors explodes from the coral reefs, painting an underwater landscape of unparalleled beauty. In a whimsical moment of revelation, on-screen text appears. F is for fish, blending education with the wonders of the deep. In the heart of the savannah, a giraffe towers, its graceful neck reaching for the sky to pluck leaves from the tallest tree. With a balletic stretch, the giraffe embodies nature's elegance, its every movement a dance of survival and beauty. G is for giraffe appears on screen, a simple declaration that unveils the savannah's silent majesty. In a sunlit bedroom, a child's imagination bursts forth as they transform through the magic of dress-up, their face lit by pure joy. A radiant smile illuminates the child's face as they strike a pose, fully embodying the character they envision. H is for hat, declares the on-screen text above, celebrating the playful spirit of childhood. Back in the animated classroom, vibrant characters burst into song and dance, filling the air with infectious energy. The screen flares to life with the joyous declaration, "Alphabet, alphabet, it's fun to learn." Every corner of the room pulses with life as the characters unite in a symphony of learning and laughter. In a vibrant singing studio, children's voices surge in a whirlwind rendition of the alphabet song. The screen displays the words, flashing at breakneck speed. On screen, the words scream, "Sing it fast." In the bright singing studio, children's voices echo softly as they sing the alphabet song, their pace a gentle, unhurried rhythm. On the screen, the words of the alphabet appear in a slow, deliberate manner, guiding the children through each syllable. A guiding voice gently encourages, "Sing it slow." In the animated classroom, the vital mantra, "Practice every day," shines brightly, urging every animated character to embrace dedication. Animated characters underscore the importance of diligent practice, their expressions conveying a profound commitment to improvement. Each character embodies the spirit of perseverance, demonstrating that consistent practice transforms dreams into vibrant realities. Inside the vibrant animated classroom, characters burst into song and dance, their joy mirroring the playful spirit of learning. On screen, the words "alphabet, alphabet, it's fun to learn" flash, reinforcing the joyous theme. The scene captures the pure delight of learning, as animated characters embody the spirit of curiosity and fun. A vibrant animated classroom bursts into life, where the alphabet introduces itself through the innocent eyes of childhood. The letters A through D dance playfully on the screen, each bringing with it a world of imagination and discovery. The images of apple, ball, cat and dog leap from the screen, igniting curiosity and wonder in the hearts of eager learners. In the sun-drenched apple orchard, a child plucks a ripe red apple, embodying the essence of A is for apple. The scene underscores the learning process with a direct, simple connection. A is for apple. Under the radiant sun, children's laughter dances through the park as they play with a ball, echoing the joy of a carefree day. The ball soars through the air, a fleeting moment of pure delight, its painted letter B catching the sunlight. Amidst the echoes of children's play, a narrator announces, "B is for ball." In a cozy home bathed in sunlight, a fluffy cat playfully engages with a toy mouse, its every move accentuating the letter C. As the cat's paws dance, the narrator softly whispers, "C is for cat." The cat, a furry emblem of C, embodies the simple joys of home. In a tranquil suburban setting, a dog's tail wags with irrepressible joy. The wagging tail etches the letter D in the air, a whimsical dance of canine happiness. The narrator's voice fills the air and says, "D is for dog." The letter E appears, brought to life by an animated elephant. Alongside on-screen text, the narrator's voice gently echoes, "E is for elephant." Beneath the vast expanse of the ocean, animated fish dance through the currents. Amidst the vibrant aquatic ballet, a fish marked with the letter F glides into view. The narrator proclaims, "F is for fish." Under the vast African sky, a cheerful giraffe munches on leaves, each emblazoned with the letter G. With a playful wink, the giraffe reveals the meaning behind its leafy feast. G is for giraffe. In the cozy bedroom, a child's imagination bursts to life, crowned with a bright, oversized hat that sparks pure joy. In a flash of playful discovery, the letter H materializes, transforming the room into a canvas of joyous learning. The oversized hat symbolizes endless possibilities, turning the room into a playground of learning and discovery. In a vibrant animated classroom, a chorus of animated characters waves a fond farewell. The screen illuminates, displaying a complete alphabet, a testament to daily learning, the narrator exclaims with joy. Learning the